Okay, so this is the Hyfin vent chest seal by North American Rescue. Made in the USA. There are a lot of different variations of the Hyfin. There's the regular size, there's the compact, there's the vented, which both of these are vented, there's the non-vented, there's the 2-pack, there's the single pack. So make sure you read the fine details when you're purchasing these so you know exactly what you have in your kit. I'll go a little bit more into detail on this compact one. This is pretty common for kits because it is much smaller. This is gonna be the exact same thing as the full size one. It's just a smaller form factor. So this is a double, so we have 2 entry-exit wound is the thinking here. You may not need both of them if it's a stabbing or if it's a impalement from a motor vehicle accident or something, but these come in a twin pack together for this one. We'll go ahead and open one of these up and show you what it looks like inside. Okay, so if you only need one of these, it's perforated here in the middle. You can tear it to separate these into 2, but I'm gonna go ahead and open one of these up. We've got these red little tabs here, make it easy to open. Tear it open, and now this is actually going to be folded in half once we bring it out of the package. So it's folded in half. Open this up, and we've got this little gauze pad here too, so we can use this gauze to dry any blood or moisture away from the area, so we make sure we get good adhesion. So we have wiped that, and now we'll peel this off. It's very sticky stuff. We'll peel this off, and we're going to slap this. If we have an injury, we'll use this right here as our injury. So if this is our injury, we will place this directly over it to where that injury is in the center, and we're going to press that down firmly. As you can tell, there's these 3 vents where there is no sticky material, so that as someone takes a breath in, this will push up against their skin and not allow any air in. As they breathe out, there's pressure build up in the chest. It allows it to vent out so you don't end up having any more pressure in the chest. So that's an overview of the Hyfin vent chest seals in the twin pack. Remember, these come in the compact, and then the gray ones here are the full size. So just make sure you know what you need for the size pack. This is going to be probably the most common in IFAKs and small first aid kit. You can find these on our website at 6ecosystems.com.